Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today I just want to share with you the easiest way I follow in making straps, and if you follow the steps, I am pretty sure you're going to be making one for yourself. Please do subscribe and like this video if you're new here. Now on my sewing table I have my fabric laid out, and what I'm working with is 1.5. You can do 1-inch fabric, just depend on how wide you want your straps to be. And please do not bother about how long my fabric is. You can go ahead and make this as long as you want. So what I'm doing right now is fold my fabric into two, and I'm just going to sew to the width I want my straps to be. And what I'm sewing in right now is 1/4 inch after folding my fabric into two. Okay, so go ahead and make it as wide as you want. So the width is determined on what you sew while you're sewing on the wrong side. So once I'm done sewing, this is what it looks like, and you can see this is 1/4 inch wide, and I'm just going to trim off the excess. So you can see that while I was trimming, I didn't take off all the fabrics because I still need some to be part of the straps when I flip to the right side. I'm taking out a little bit. And once I'm done taking this out, I'll go ahead and flip this to the right side, and I'll be showing you guys the easiest way to do this with your hand needle and your thread. So this is my hand needle here, and I'm using the most tiniest hand needle. And what I'm doing now is pass my thread through the hand needle, and then I'll make a knot. Then I'll go ahead with my hand needle. I'll sew this on the opening of my straps, and I'm just going to sew this on one side of the opening. So see me go through one side from the opening, and I'm just going to secure my thread and my needle through this one side. I'm just going to sew till I am confirmed that this is well secured and tight. I'll go ahead and pass my needle through the hole. So now after making 3 stitches, this is very secured. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pass my needle through the hole, and I'm going to keep pushing my needle till it gets to the other end of the fabric. So please take your time to do this. Do not drag, do not hurry, do not rush. Just take your time and do this, okay? So once I get to the other end, I'm just going to take off my needle, and this is just going to help me drag this fabric to the right side, and I'm just going to keep dragging till I get the whole fabric flipped to the right side. Now this is how it looks. I'm just going to keep dragging until all the fabrics are flipped to the right side. And you guys, note that you can make your straps as tiny as you want. You can make this tinier than this. You can make this bigger than this. You can make it as wide as you want. So go ahead and decide that, and then do that while you are sewing this on the wrong side. And see how tiny this looks. This is what I made for a cowl neck dress, and this is how tiny it looks. So thank you for watching. I hope this video is of help to somebody out there, and let me know in the comment section what you think. If you're able to make one for yourself, let us know in the comment section. And do not forget to like. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye for now.